roving reporter. Wendy, help! No. Y'all, I'm gonna try something brand new, something I have never, ever attempted to make. Help us all. We're gonna try to make it. The holidays are coming up. This is a side that is normally there, but I have never attempted it unless it was already in a box and just put it together. So, do you want to know what it is? Potatoes au gratin. Has anybody ever made this? I never have. So, want to come with me? Come on, come be my support animal. I need help. Be my support cheese. Would you be my support cheese, please? All right, come on, let's go. Hello and welcome into the kitchen. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator. Thank you so much for offering to be my support cheese today. Support cheese, please, as I attempt to make homemade au gratin potatoes. Always made them out of a box. Very easy to add milk and a little bit of butter and shove them in the oven. But I've always thought, you should be able to make these. This is easy, right? So as the holidays come up, a lot easier to, just give it a try, give it a shot. And so I thank you for being here with me. I found this recipe quite some time ago in a magazine that tells us how to make creamy potato gratin. So this is the recipe we're going to follow, and the recipe will be down below in the description as always. In this kitchen, right? Measurements are optional. Sarcasm's always on the side, and you are always welcome here. So I have 3 pounds of baking potatoes. That really means just a pack of baking potatoes. This is 2 pounds and some ounces, so that's really easy. We're going to use that. We're going to use some heavy cream. We're going to use about a half a cup of Miracle Whip. We are going to use a little bit of garlic. We are going to use sharp cheddar cheese, about a half cup grated, and then about 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese in the last 20 minutes of baking. So we're going to follow the recipe. You're going to come along with me as I do all this and learn how to use this mandolin. Oh my gosh, Wendy, what are you trying to pull off? It'll be a miracle, but you'll be with me. Thank you for supporting me. All right, team, here we go. Let's get started. First things first, we are going to cut our garlic in half and rub it around the side of the baking dish. And then we're going to spray it down with a little bit of cooking spray. These edges nice. If I smell like garlic later for girls' night, y'all don't mind me. I'm just trying a new recipe. Okay, garlic done. Spray with spray. Where's my spray? Here it is. We probably don't want that guy in there. All right, sprayed with spray, set aside. Next, whisk together cream, Miracle Whip, salt, pepper in a medium bowl, and stir in the cheddar. All right, the cream, 16 ounces. So we're just going to put this whole thing of cream in here. Wow, thick and creamy. Nice. Miracle Whip, half a cup. Anybody like, when I was growing up, we ate more Miracle Whip than we did regular mayonnaise. I don't know when that changed. But we need a half a cup. So I just got this little guy. because we don't really normally eat Miracle Whip. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? He's over here in the corner. All right, half a cup. That'll go in there. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper? Well, we already know there's garlic in there. Why not use all three? I'm a broken record. McCormick, hello. I'm your girl. Seriously, I'm your girl. I am not kidding when I say I use this every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. Here we go. Our signature 12 shakes. Okay, we whisk those together. Now we need to stir in the cheddar, which they said was about a half a cup. And I have about a half of a block of cheese left. So I'm just gonna use the block of cheese. Come on in, buddy. Come on in, buddy. All right, lovely. Good and mixed. Next thing we're going to do is cut the potatoes. Okay. So we're just layering them in the bottom. And we'll do the other potato a half at a time. This thing's pretty cool. There we go. You can see our lovely layers. Okay, and then we need to use half of this mixture to pour over the top. So I'm just giving it a good stir before I whack-a-doodle it over the top for half. All right. Now we're back to the drawing board. We got to do the other potatoes, and then we'll be back. Made actually a very large pot. I mean, this is a 13 by 9, right? This is our lasagna pan and our chicken roaster, but look at that. Craziness. Okay, next up, pouring that cream, Miracle Whip, salt, pepper, cheese mixture over the top. And then you just want to spread it evenly. It says we're going to cover this dish with foil and bake at 350 for 1 hour. Okay, here we go. Let's wrap the beast. And now it is going to go in 350-degree oven for 1 hour until potatoes are almost tender. So and with that, we will see you in an hour. Couldn't help myself. I peeked, and then I was disappointed. We have aluminum foil over it. I can't see anything. I was like, I think I'm starting to smell potato and cheese. Let me just peek. Shh. Dummy. All right, we'll keep going. Alexa, how much time is left on the timer? 24 minutes to go. All right, it's been an hour. We're gonna get it out, sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese, and then put it back in for 15 minutes. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. Now that we can really peek under the covers. Are we ready? let you guys have first peek. Ooh, hold on. Let's adjust it so you can really see. Oop, wrong way. I can hear it sizzling like buzz, bubble, 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 bubble. Ready? Okay. All right. Okay, all right. Look at all the sizzle on the side. Now, it says sprinkle liberally with Parmesan cheese, and then put it back in for 15 minutes. All right, here we go. All right, see you in 15. All right, it's been 15 more minutes, and now the recipe says we need to put it on broil for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes, and then I'll bring it out and you can see. Okay. Another opportunity for us to have smell-o-vision. The cheese. Holy moly. All right, let me get this out of the way. Let me put this even closer so you can see. You can see it. All right, here it comes. Cue the cheering crowd. Holy moly. Cue that crowd. Well, would you look at that? Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Friends, we did it. I really want to do a happy dance right now. I'm like this. Ba 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 da do 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 do. We made potatoes au gratin. We made potatoes au gratin. Listen, that really was not hard. Really. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for coming along this journey with us. Let's get this on the plate with our ham and our green beans, and let's have dinner. How exciting. We made potatoes au gratin. We made potatoes au gratin. I'm so happy. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. My goodness, I am so pleased. I really was nervous that we could not do this. I mean, for some reason in my head, potatoes au gratin meant way too fancy for Wendy to figure out how to fix. That was pretty stinking easy. The oven did all the work, and the mandoline, the slicer thingy. Those two were the stars of the show. Let's see what that special tangy ingredient, see how that worked out. I cannot believe how the cheese on top. Just amazed. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you for being my cheese support. I couldn't do this without you. You hear I have a cheese supporter down below. What up, Smooch? She's totally ready to be my taste tester. But sorry, girl. This one's just for me and Daddy. Thank you so much for all your help. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Remember, subscribe does absolutely nothing but let YouTube know that you like what you see and you want to see more of it. And I am so glad that you want to see more of it. I love making these videos. I love being with you. Please hit like. Please hit subscribe. Tell a couple of friends. I want to get to 200 before the end of November. That gives us 2 weeks. We can do it. We can do it. Let's do it. All right? Look at this. Oh, it's even cheesy and stringy. Oh my goodness. I'm so pumped about this. Here we go. Potatoes au gratin going in. Stay tuned for a Zen moment, and we will see you next time. Bye, friends. Bye. Don't forget, subscribe.